Hello internet land and internet fans, welcome back to Dave's Adventures in Cooking. I have a very simple recipe for you this week. Tuna casserole, as suggested by Mom. So thank you, Mom. And so here are our ingredients. We've got 1.5 cups of cooked egg noodles, can of tuna, cream of mushroom soup, shredded onions, shredded celery, and some nice shredded Gouda cheese. Just throw all of them together into a casserole dish and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. I'm going to let you watch that, and then we'll come back after it's finished. And there's the finished product. There's my tuna casserole. Very simple recipe. Good thing about this, it usually lasts a couple days if there's just one person eating it, which there is in this case. Anyway, thank you for joining me, Dave's Adventures in Cooking, once again, and we'll have another recipe for you next week. Happy cooking!